Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you our new house. We've lived in here for a few months now, and just now I'm getting back into hopefully making videos at least every week. But this is my new house. This was my house when I was a kid. We lived here. I brought Hunter home from the hospital here. I have a lot of memories in this house, but it's time to make it my own. But you guys can obviously see the rooms. This is the master bathroom. That was the master bedroom, the closet. I got a lot of remodeling to do. And then me and Hunter, we both took turns pressure washing the house. We just did a kind of a messy pressure wash. But my dad and Hunter, they cleaned out all the gutters. There's a lot of stuff in the gutters. There's trees growing in them. But we pretty much got it all done. I have to pressure wash some more, but we had to return the pressure washer we used. We used the gas one. All we had was electric, so we just tried to get as much as we could done. And these are the steps before, which are gross. And then after, but this video is just going to be all over the place, honestly. Because I haven't really, I don't know, I'd start a video, and then I wouldn't finish it. And it's been like that for like 4 months now. So, this is just kind of what this is Scarlett's room right here. So it looked like before. I didn't do a video of nothing of hers because I was just trying to get moved over here, get stuff done. We painted it like a ballet pink color at Walmart. It was already a pre-mixed color. We gotta put flooring down still. We still have stuff to do in her room. It's not done. But Hunter's room, he didn't want it painted or nothing, so I didn't paint anything. I'm not gonna really show his room because he has some flags and just stuff that, you know, I don't want people get mad because my son has a flag or something in his room over, you know, something stupid. So, but this is Scarlett's room, what it looks like pretty much now. She really loves it. Those lights didn't last very long. They last for 2 weeks before they broke. But yeah, she really likes her room. She's really excited about having one, even though she don't sleep in there. But, and this is the kitchen. It is just outdated, obviously. It used to all be closed off above the sink, but they opened it, I guess. And then my living room, which is weird setup. It's hard to set anything up. Dining room. It's full boxes. But, yeah, this is the house, so we'll just see where this video goes. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this video, but hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it. So we're gonna redo this little area over here. Then I'm not gonna show the rest. This is just a little first video I'm gonna do of my new house. I showed you guys the video that's gonna be before this that you're seeing now is gonna be like a house tour and just little tiny updates. But this right now is gonna start. This is my kitchen. It's my little coffee area. And then I'm going to paint all the kitchen cabinets white, but this is where I'm just starting. So this is the paint I'm using. It's from Walmart. Semi-gloss. It's really easy to keep the cabinets clean. I've used this cabinet paint before. Well, it's not cabinet paint, but I've used this paint before. So let's get started. And I did sand them down and clean them. I just didn't record it. A lot of this stuff I forgot to do because when I'm trying to do something, I want to get it done. So yes, I did do the sanding and I did clean the cabinets off. like a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing to the kitchen. The wall color is the agreeable gray that everybody usually does. I just like it because it's bright. In here, it just looks so, I don't know, it's so dark looking in here. I know the walls are white and everything, but the cabinets, the floors, everything is just, then we have this wall right here that they put in. Everything's just too dark, so I'm going, I need to do another coat of paint, obviously, but this is gonna be my backsplash thing. I'll show you guys, I'll put a clip in for my inspiration picture that I'm going off of.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
So right here, I'm just going to be painting the trim white, and then I'm going to go, while that's drying, I'm going to go and paint the walls. Like I said earlier, the agreeable gray, that's what I'm doing. I started painting the cabinets white, but I'm wondering if I should do them green. Like, not a dark green, like a sage. I don't know, I've been looking on Pinterest, and I really like the way it looks. And I've been having kind of a hard time getting these cabinets. I've done like 4 coats, and I even got paint and primer, and I primed them first. I don't know, it's just not covering, and it's taking forever to get them where I want them to look. But I was thinking about painting them green, but I don't know, someone talked me into it or talked me out of it.
the sky. We can run